underneath. Take two. I'm still trying to figure out what made.
Well, the first part of the division of a cell is the replication. That, and in other words, is the process when the DNA multiplies itself inside the nucleus to make RNA. And in the process, these called the double helix are multiplied, and it's like this. It makes another DNA from one other two. And so we said that from DNA it comes complementary DNA, like in this example. So the nitrogen bases change in this process, so it will be T A C C A C A G C G A A G G A A T T.
Makes you hard on the call. I guess it comes from your heart, 'cause when your head's right.
Okay, so the next process is transcription. Transcription is rewriting DNA into RNA. The way this occurs is through an enzyme known as RNA polymerase. It happens in the nucleus. So what happens is that the double helix goes through the RNA polymerase, and after that it breaks up, transcribing it into a different complementary DNA strand, which will be shown later on.
In this example, after replication, we need to rewrite the complementary DNA into mRNA, which in this case, every T goes with an A, every A goes with a U, every C goes with a G, again every A goes with a U, every C with a G, every A with a U, and every G with a C, G, C, U, U, C, C, D, D, no wait, U, U, A, A.
You take your time, there's something about the love of things you like. Fire when the strobe hits.
Okay, so after transcription, the mRNA is sent to outside the nucleus to the ribosome to prepare for translation. So during translation, the mRNA is here in the ribosome, and the tRNA starts reading the codons. The codons are a sequence of 3 nucleotides that code for a specific amino acid. So what the tRNA does is that it brings the corresponding amino acid to create the polypeptide chain, or protein. And that is how protein is actually created in, well, the cell. So this is the mRNA strand. So the tRNA would come here and be like, okay, this is the first codon. So this codon codes for this amino acid. So it's the first amino acid in the chain. So it goes on, and then so this is how the polypeptide chains are synthesized in the body. And finally, when it reaches the last, it reaches this code. This codes for stop. So it's the signal for the protein, for the tRNA to stop bringing amino acids and to stop producing the protein. So this is the final protein, and yeah.
I dare you play your cards, boy, you bet I'm a trendsetter too.
Nucleotides, which code for a specific amino acid. Oigan, qué rollo, no. Okay, so after transcription, oigan, no.
In this example,
Alguien entra aquí, no quiero saber.
No, de que si alguien entra
That's it, Brian?
Yes.